Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So today we will be pulling a chakra card to see what messages come through. So if you want to just get into a comfortable position and focus on a question, have an intention of receiving a message, then go ahead and do that. And let's see what comes through for us today from Spirit, from the universe. All right. Emotions, feelings, expression, moods, and balance. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this guy is in some sort of torment, vacillating between different types of emotions. And I think that is one thing that we tend not to look at or go within and understand about ourselves. We tend to push these emotions aside because we believe that we shouldn't feel them, or especially if they're the negative emotions or sadness or loss, grief, those types of emotions. We tend to suppress them because we're taught not to share that emotion, not to feel that emotion, or if we are, then don't talk about that emotion. Don't feel sadness or grief or loss because you want to show that you're stronger than what you are really feeling inside. Because emotions can make us feel vulnerable, especially the emotions where we are feeling sad or grief or loss. The happy emotions are certainly different. Those are more positive and they don't make us feel vulnerable, but more empowered. And so when we are feeling these other emotions, we don't tend to express them. We don't tend to share them or understand them or dive deep into them because they don't feel very good. So when we are feeling certain emotions, that is our guidance system telling us where we are at. And emotions aren't there to dictate to us, they're just indicators on our path of what we're creating in our lives. So if we take a moment to understand what we're feeling, what's happening on the inside, then we are able to mitigate those emotions, to improve upon that emotion so we can create something better. So take a look at where your emotions are sitting. And if it's something that doesn't feel very good to you, just sit with it. Understand it. You don't have to get right into it and accentuate that emotion, but you want to get into it and understand it. What am I feeling right now? Why am I feeling this way? What's happening on the inside? Understand it, and then choose differently. Choose how you want to feel and begin to climb up to that feeling, that happiness, that contentment, whatever it is that you want to feel. And it's okay to feel these lower vibrational emotions. It's okay to feel those. It's okay to have an off day, to feel sad, to feel grief. It's okay to feel that. But don't sit and stay there and live there in those lower emotions, because that's when it can cause a lot of disharmony within your body over a long period of time. So honor those emotions, honor yourself, love yourself enough to understand them and to switch them up to something better, to an improved emotion. So I hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time.